We're right back here on We Connect. We were talking about the reasons for your success. Can I ask you to define, would you say that it is the attention to detail? I mean, you've ended up, at this point of your career, so many national awards, so many state awards. Obviously, you have carved this name for yourself because of something.
I feel that every film which I did could have had an award by that time because they were no par with those films. Awards are something which, well, if you get it, fine. If you don't get it, I don't work for awards. See all the films, I think they were all masterpieces of that time. And detailing, as you said, should be of an art director. It's not a big thing which I have. And I learnt from the elders, like my father, or from Mr. Sudhendra Roy, or meeting Achrekar, or meeting Bansi Jantragupta, meeting Mr. Gokhale, Mr. Kaladhar, Mr. Angamuthu, Mr. so many people, Kanu Desai. But I could say that by God's grace, that I came in when all these big stalwarts were all 40 years senior than me, 35 years senior than me. When you meet these elderly people with their experience, not that I ask them for experience or anything, there are certain things which you ask, and everybody used to call me because they knew me as a painter. This is how the acquaintance came. That experience, I don't think anybody would get it in their lifetime.
Do you believe that art directors are being given their due respect?
It was a very respectful job. Early days, it was until the art director says the cameraman would not that the cameraman never knew what it is like today's cameraman, but they knew everything. But still, when an art director says this is your angle, that's your angle, I mean they keep the camera there.
As we sit here and talk, you seem as fascinated by your art and your craft as you probably were when you began so long ago. Is that the case?
I love my art. I mean, every day I do something or other. I do my drawing or my painting. Well, that's my canvas and me. The film is, you do your design for what they really want, but create yourself about what, if you are there in that particular location, and give it to about so many craftsmen to work on the thing as a three-dimensional form. This is a 2D where you just do your painting, and there's a 3D where you do it.
Is there time in your very busy schedule to be actually doing your painting? You did say that you try every day.
No, my sleeping hours was only 3 to 4 hours every day for the last 40 years, and I somehow or other make sure that I just do a painting. I mean, it doesn't take much time.
Is it hard sometimes to work one side with a director and one side with a producer?
It is difficult because they all have to be in par with one concept and one commitment of how much they want to spend. It so happens sometimes they disagree with the comment of what the director says, that he wants a big set, and then they say no, why, and all sort of things, and then we would have to assist between the director and the cameraman, the cameraman and the producer together to get the effect in the budget what the producer wants. It was never overdone or anything, at the most another couple of thousands, but the effect was something different.
Right, but we've heard it said that Tota Tharani is very rich. He makes a lot of money from the work he does over the years. So may I draw you out on that?
Yeah, I'm only hoping that your words come true. So that because nobody pays you what you're worth it. Nobody paid till today. I was not paid for the value or the name I have or the work I do. But they will take the work from the day one. They'll say, no, there's a very small picture, we are doing it in Ooty. But in Ooty, they will say, there's so many things which you will have to frame up for every frame. And they say, no, this much of this. They say, even for a grass, they will ask you in a rainy season. Now, the wild grass will grow only in summer. To get this grass is very expensive on a rainy day. That these people have to realize, which these fellows will not realize. The problem is, Everybody thinks that because we put up a big set, I have a lot of money. I don't deal with any money what the producer spends. It is my small remuneration what these guys give for one film, which they say it is 3 months film, but they'll carry it on for 2 years. And nobody understands that your time is also precious like other people's work. That's why when you work abroad for an English film, which I did for 2 films, you plan for 1 month, you erect the set for 1 month, and the shooting is done for 1 month. So 3 months exactly it will be finished. And your remuneration, whatever it is, you are happy with the 3 months of job. Here, the 3 months of job will be given as 1 month your remuneration and 2 years of your production. And you have to be there at a beck and call of the director or the producer.
What about people actually copying your work? You are a brand, you are a name to be reckoned with. Do you find that that happens?
I have erected a set for a Telugu film, and they said, they paid me something, okay, fine, finish. The film took, again, as I told you, took them to about a year and a half. Not only that one particular set, they built the set with walls, and the interior, everything was done. But the design, the model, everything was given by me. This set was constructed, I think at the most they would have spent about 40 to 50 lakhs. I think they earned more than 4.5 crores by letting it out to different people for different films. Not one film carried my name that this particular set is being done by so and so.
So there's no copyright, intellectual
No,
property
we
right?
are planning to do, I'm planning to work out with my lawyer to work out on that brand. Now apart from doing it, the most atrocious thing was the art director who went into that set, he had a state award last year from
For that set?
from the same set. From the same set. So this is how things work here.
Right. Thotatarni, despite all of these odds and all the problems you've been talking about with us today, you've obviously achieved tremendous success. Surely this is really credit to your genius. We really want to thank you so much indeed for having us here today. Thank you very much. And to our viewers out there, it's been a delight to be talking to Padma Shri Thotatarni about his work, about what actually makes him tick. We'll be back again with you next week on WeConnect.